See anything weird about this tree?
Yeah. Oh, the branches are twisted.
The wrinkles.
Is it a dog one?
No.
Oh, there's the buzzard. I see him.
It's a sweet gum. This is a sweet gum tree.
Oh, yeah.
Does anybody know what kind of buzzard that is?
Turkey.
Yeah.
Is
There's
that a
two
buzzard, buddy?
kinds that live here.
Is that a buzzard?
Turkey.
Yeah, that's a turkey buzz.
Oh, wow.
Or turkey vulture. There's a
Oh!
turkey vulture that has a pink head, and it has a little bit of grayish white all the way along its wing here. There's another one that's called a black vulture. He's got a black head, and he's got a white patch out at the end of his wing.
That goes all the way up the tree.
Yeah, it's just like a vine in the jungle. It's trying to climb up where the leaves of it can get to the light. It just goes up with the tree. I don't know.
Well, how do they get down there? Come on, let's try it.
Bonnie and
Got him in a
Clyde.
shooting range. I think it's got me bullets over
Dr. Donald.
Oh, wait. Hey, Mr. Mike.
Rusty's
I remember now he's like that.
No, still nobody.
It's got the hair sticking it to the tree
What's
trunk.
poison ivy?
No, it's that hair going up the tree.
Poison ivy.
To see that sticking out right there in front of my neck is the branch of it. So you can see the little hairs on it.
It's doe food.
Bobby, the creek's down to the left. Okay.
Cricket. Willie, cricket.
You're right.
Oh, hey, cricket.